Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the cabinet claw clamp. Pony's cabinet claw will make cabinet installation a breeze. The cabinet claw is made of durable aluminum and comes with adhesive protective felt pads that you can install over the alignment plate. Also included in the package is the instruction manual. To use this clamp, simply slide it onto the front rails of your cabinets and use the first screw to tighten the jaws, and then tighten the second screw to make the cabinets aligned. We recommend using 2 cabinet claws for each set of cabinets. You'll save time and energy in all of your cabinet installations. Then use the guide hole to drill a 1/8 inch diameter hole 1/4 of an inch into the second rail. Flip the guide hole open and screw the cabinets together. Thank you for visiting the Pony Jorgensen workshop.